Not often we come to Ruthin and get a point. Tonight we've got a point at the end of a 1-1 draw. Your observations of that 90 minutes?
Well, first and foremost, yeah, you're right. We don't seem to be pick many points up against Ruthin, but they're a good, hard-working, honest team and full of quality. And we were disappointing today, and you know, I think we, on the whole, are very lucky and fortunate to come away with that point. Don't get me wrong; it's a pleasing point, but that first half performance was nowhere near good enough. Elements of the second half were a lot better, but on another day, Ruthin go and score 5, 6 or 7 against us. I thought Alex was absolutely superb again today between the sticks for us, and we were fortunate, as I said, and we're thankful to get the point, but we've got to learn very quickly that we can't keep doing this at this standard because we're going to get punished.
The first half today was nowhere near, totally different to last week. But at the end, we did get something out of it, something to work on, and a great goal from Kai Jones.
Yeah, it was. You know, obviously it was great to get the point, Bill, and I'm not hiding away from that. You know, we're fortunate to get that point. I'll keep saying that. But for us as a group, it's disappointing in the performance. But I suppose we've got to look at the positives. We come away from Ruthin. It's a good place and a hard place to come, and we take the point and we move on. But you know, Tuesday now and Thursday next week we'll train and we'll put a lot of things right before going against Flint next weekend, which will be a really, really tough test for us at the Trife, and we'll have to perform a lot better as a team.
Yeah, not many chances tonight either, no?
No, and I think that's credit to Ruthin, but also probably testament to how poorly we played at times in terms of when we had the ball. You know, we didn't move it as well as we often do, which is frustrating, and as I say, we can talk about it all night, Dol, but at the end of the day, we've come here, we've got a point, and thankfully we come away with something.
Diolch, Craig.
Diolch, Dol.